Can you recall? 1. Which different hormones control the functions of human reproductive system through chemical coordination? Answer. The details about which different hormones control the functions of human reproductive system through chemical coordination is as follows. Pituitary gland secretes FSH and LH. LH is known as ICSH in males, as its function in the male body is different. From the gonads of male and female, hormones are secreted which are essential for male and female reproductive functions respectively. These hormones are testosterone secreted from testis in males and estrogen and progesterone secreted from the ovaries in females. Testosterone is essential for masculinity as well as for sperm production, while female hormones are essential for changes in the female body leading to motherhood. 2. Which hormones are responsible for changes in human body occurring during onset of sexual maturity? Answer. Testosterone in male body and estrogen in female body are responsible for maturity onset changes in human body. 3. Why has the Government of India enacted the law to fix the minimum age of marriage as 18 in girls and 21 in boys? Answer. The Government of India has enacted the law to fix the minimum age of marriage as 18 in girls and 21 in boys because the full growth of female body is not completed till the age of 18. Till 18 years of age, the physical and emotional maturity is not attained. Therefore, she is not suitable for marriage, sexual relationship, and pregnancy. Similarly, boy attains complete growth only by the age of 21. Therefore, to keep individuals and their progeny safe and healthy, the Government of India enacted the law to fix the minimum age of marriage as 18 in girls and 21 in boys. We have studied in the chapter of heredity and variation that men have XY sex chromosomes and women have XX sex chromosomes. Reproductive system with specific organs develops in the body of men and women due to these sex chromosomes only. X chromosome is present in men and women, whereas Y chromosome is present in men only. Now we shall study the structure and functions of human reproductive system. Human male reproductive system. Male reproductive system of humans consists of testes, various ducts and glands. Testes are present in the scrotum outside the abdominal cavity. Testes contain numerous seminiferous tubules. Germinal epithelium present in the tubules divide by meiosis to produce sperms. Those sperms are sent forward through various tubules. Sequence of those tubules is as rete testis, vas efferens, epididymis, vas deferens, ejaculatory duct, and urinogenital duct. As the sperms are pushed forwards from one duct to next, they become mature and able to fertilize the ovum. Seminal vesicles secrete their secretion in ejaculatory ducts, whereas prostate glands and Cowper's glands secrete their secretions in urinogenital duct. Semen is formed of sperms and secretions of all these glands. Semen is ejaculated out through penis. All the organs of male reproductive system are paired except urinogenital duct, prostate gland, penis and scrotum. Surprising facts. 1. Length of each epididymis is about 6 meters. 2. Length of a sperm is about 60 micrometers. 3. Such a small sperm has to cross the distance of approximately 6.5 meter while passing out of male reproductive system. 4. Sperm needs large amount of energy. For this purpose, fructose is present in the semen. Human female reproductive system. All organs of female reproductive system are in abdominal cavity. It includes a pair of ovaries, a pair of oviducts, single uterus, and a vagina. Besides, a pair of Bartholin's gland is also present. Generally, every month, an ovum is released in abdominal cavity alternately from each ovary. Free end of oviduct is funnel-like. An opening is present at the center of it. Oocyte enters the oviduct through that opening. Cilia are present on inner surface of oviduct. These cilia push the oocyte towards uterus. Gamete formation.